YouTube begins testing time-linked comments on videos. I love this. Are you familiar with the time-linked comments, like the SoundCloud style comments?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm familiar with it. I think it's a good idea.
Maybe some other sites have it as well. For me, my first interaction with it in a big way was SoundCloud. So I'm just saying SoundCloud style comments. Essentially, the way this works, if you've never seen it before, you have comments that are essentially streaming alongside the playhead on the video that are relevant to a particular moment in the video. And what this allows you to do is to interact with comments without necessarily having the spoilers that you would have if you just scroll down to the comment section and see the whole thing.
Yeah. Let's see
after the fact.
See it in action here.
Yeah, so here you go. These are time-based comments on SoundCloud.
Unbox therapy. Still.
Yeah, of course. I mean, because we use the IMAX tracks all the time. You know, you can play it. Yeah, go ahead, play it, Will. Go ahead, play it. Feed some of it through. Now, these time-based comments, because of the fact that we're listening to music here. Oh, you see people are reflecting on some part of the beat that comes in at a different point. They're also seeing a lot of Unbox Therapy stuff because we use this music. But it's cool. You can imagine in a video, like, whoa, whatever, you know, that's alongside the moment when something happens, make it feel really dynamic. Now, everybody doesn't have this yet. It's like a lot of these features, it rolls out a little bit at a time. Some people get it, they play around with it. And it's going to be in the comment section where you can toggle between, like, you know how you have right now, most recent versus most popular type of comments? Imagine you also had live there or time. I don't know what they're going to call it. What are they going to call it? Timed comments. Time beta is what it's called right now. If you are currently in the beta and you're on the YouTube app, you can tap the comment sort button. And if you're in this test beta, you will see the time beta option showing up there and you can experience it for yourself. I don't have this option yet, but it seems like a pretty cool feature. I think a lot of people might like that. I think they should roll with it.